बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। कैसी हैं
सलाम।
जिंदा?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं ठीक हूँ। आप कैसी हैं?
अल्लाह का शुक्र, मैं भी ठीक हूँ। आप खैरियत से हैं? सेलिब्रेशन कैसी रही आपकी? सेलिब्रेशन कैसी रही आपके यहाँ?
यही सेलिब्रेशन मुझे what fasting today?
ओह माशाल्लाह।
Rajab
हाँ,
today
यस
first birthday.
यस
Yeah.
यस, या ऑफ कोर्स। माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। And my celebration is my daughters are at home from yesterday, and Alhamdulillah enjoyed the company of my daughters.
Someone at home.
Yeah. So this is our conversational Urdu course, session 23rd, Alhamdulillah. And we will try to cover in this session lesson 23rd and 24th. And if you want to enroll in my course, you can WhatsApp on this number. And these are list of my courses you can join. And in these days, special discount for everyone. This conversational course, very basic speaking course, in fact, and based on introduction, family shopping, dining, and more. Each week we try to cover these topics and try to practice, and we will try to cover these all topics in 24 sessions and practice. This is very important rule. If you learn any language, you should follow this rule. And the rule is, in fact, copy each and everything of your native fellow. And this was we practice in second previous lecture, and this was our yesterday lecture, apologizing and forgiving request. Would you like to revise? I think we try to revise the dialogue. माफ कीजिए अहमद, मैं आपकी किताब खो बैठा हूँ। खो बैठा हूँ, I explain another vocabulary for you. खो बैठा हूँ. What was that vocabulary?
गम कर दानिया.
Yes. गुम कर देना. गुम कर दिया. Yes. And क्या वो किताब मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी थी? And what is new word? I think it's smooth. मुझसे गलती हो गई. मुझे नहीं चाहिए था इस तरह से लापरवाह होना. लापरवाह in English? Careless, yes. And what is the careful? Yes, एहतियात या मोहतात. Carefulness is एहतियात, and careful is be careful. One person careful. The difference between ihtiyat and muhtat is like noun and pronoun. Noun and pronoun. So, शुक्रिया अहमद, आप बहुत समझदार हैं. समझदार is
समझदार understand.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्सन. कोई मसला नहीं, दोस्तों के दरमियान ये होता रहता है. दरमियान इज बिटवीन. And we have covered this on WhatsApp, and there we discuss the meeting between doctor and receptionist and patient, and then doctor and patient, and meeting someone new. Would you like to try this topic yourself? Meeting someone new. Yes. Create a scenario. Please share with me a scenario. Someone new. What?
Maybe meeting someone new at a wedding.
Okay. Fine. Wedding ceremonies are very popular in Pakistan. Ceremony spelling is okay. Ceremony.
Wrong.
S. एक second. Sorry.
C-E-R-E.
C-E-R-E.
Anyway.
C-E-R-E. ठीक है. M-E.
Right.
E is not there, I think.
Yeah. That one is funny.
Yeah. Ceremony. Okay. And the person 1 and person 2, I think it's fine. Okay. Try to start the conversation. You can try it in Urdu, and if it is not easier for you, you can use the English phrase also.
Okay. I introduce myself first. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम हसीना है.
Good service. Okay. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. मेरा नाम आमिना है। ओके, now the next phrase. It's your turn.
Okay. मुझे हमें ब्राइट दोस्तों।
ओके,
क्या आप
आप कौन हैं?
कौन है?
मैं ब्राइड की दोस्त हूँ। मैं
राइट।
ब्राइड, दुल्हन इन उर्दू। मैं ब्राइड की दोस्त हूँ। आप कौन हैं? आप कौन हैं? ओके, मैं दुल्हा की बहन की दोस्त हूँ। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
मैं
दुल्हा, ग्रूम। मैं दुल्हा की बहन की दोस्त हूँ। I think only dulha is new word for you and other words are you already know. मैं दुल्हा की बहन की दोस्त हूँ। Can you explain what I am saying?
I'm the bride's sister's friend.
Good, mashallah. Say your line. You can say कि आप कहाँ से आई हैं? Where do you come from? आप कहाँ से आई हैं? Yes,
आप कहाँ से
आई हैं।
आई हैं?
Yes, where do you come from? आप कहाँ से आई हैं? मैं लाहौर से आई हूँ। मैं लाहौर से आई हूँ। I come from, I am coming, I come from Lahore. I came from Lahore. आई हूँ, आ चुकी हूँ। Yes.
मैं लाहौर से आई हूँ।
And now you can explain the person whether you know about something Lahore, something about Lahore or not, nothing. This topic expand your conversation. Yeah.
How to say?
Have you visited ever Lahore?
Yes.
So you can say the person that, wow, I visited the Lahore.
Only the airport.
So in Urdu you can say, अच्छा, मैं भी लाहौर जा चुकी हूँ. मैं भी लाहौर जा चुकी हूँ. I visited the Lahore. I have visited the Lahore. मैं भी लाहौर जा चुकी हूँ.
मैं भी लाहौर जा
मैं भी लाहौर जा चुकी हूँ. सुनकर अच्छा लगा. सुनकर अच्छा लगा कि आप भी लाहौर देख चुकी हैं. सुनकर अच्छा लगा. आप एंड आप क्यों लाहौर गई थी? Why you visited Lahore? आप क्यों लाहौर गई थी? Okay, it's your turn.
मैं भी लाहौर गया थी. हॉस्पिटल विजिट.
Yeah, you have explained why you visited Lahore.
मैं हॉस्पिटल विजिट अपॉइंटमेंट
Okay.
in लाहौर.
Okay. मैं हॉस्पिटल के विजिट पर गई थी. Yeah, if you want to say okay, something for checkup, you can say I visited there for my personal appointment in a hospital. कि मैं हॉस्पिटल में चेकअप के लिए गई थी. मैं हॉस्पिटल चेकअप के लिए गई थी. Okay. Okay. And
मैं हॉस्पिटल चेकअप के लिए गई थी.
क्या हुआ था? किस चीज का चेकअप? किस चीज का किस चीज का चेकअप? क्या हुआ था? Can you understand the phrase?
What's the checkup for?
Okay, good. It's fine for both phrases. That what's wrong and क्या हुआ था? What's wrong?
Mhm.
Which disease you want to check up? There. Okay. Try to create your phrase, please.
Mm, कोई बात नहीं, just normal checkup.
Okay. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं थी. It's a past, okay? For past we use word थी. कोई बात नहीं थी. It was normal checkup. Okay. आपका कोई दोस्त है लाहौर में क्या? आपका कोई दोस्त भी है लाहौर में? हेलो.
आपका लाहौर?
हाँ, आपका कोई दोस्त भी है लाहौर में?
You have friend in Lahore?
यस.
नहीं.
ओके. नहीं. योर आंसर इज नहीं. ओके. एंड what is it called? At that moment, see, sorry, I was my daughter-in-law served me tea, so I was with her. Okay, so nahi, and at the moment I one more character enter there. That is your daughter. That is your the second person daughter. So you can see the daughter of the second person. You say, oh, कितनी प्यारी बच्ची है, कितनी प्यारी बच्ची है, कितनी प्यारी बच्ची है, ये कौन है? It is your phrase I created. कितनी प्यारी बच्ची है, ये कौन है? And I answer the second person, ये मेरी बेटी है, ये मेरी बेटी है. ओह माशाल्लाह, आप बहुत जवान लगती हैं. आप मैरिड हैं? It's your line. I have already created that. वाओ आप मैरिड हैं? आप मैरिड हैं? आप बहुत जवान लगती हैं. ओके. आप बहुत जवान लगती हैं. ओके. Tell me the meaning of the phrase.
Wow, you're married?
ओके. आप बहुत जवान लगती हैं. You looks so young. You look so young. Like unmarried. ओके. आप बहुत जवान लगती हैं. It means that the person one consider that the person second is unmarried, but when she saw a daughter, she surprised. Wow, आप married हैं. आप बहुत जवान लगती हैं. So now it's my line. Thank you. We use in Urdu also. Shukriya. Thank you. Thank you is very common. It's no problem. The mixture of English and Urdu is very common in speaking Urdu speakers. So I think it's fine. Move to the next topic. Try to move. Would you like to discuss any interest? Any your favorite topic which you can create easily, no matter what in English you can also use, and tell your interesting topic.
Traveling, cooking,
Okay.
movie.
I think we choose cooking. I am trying to check you our previous lesson topic, dining in a restaurant. We learned there lots of vocabulary about dining and cooking, and even for shopping. During topic shopping, we discovered there the vocabulary about shopping for groceries and etc. Bread, roti, something like that. Okay. The favorite topic of हसलिंदा का पसंदीदा मौजू कुकिंग है. ओके. और कुकिंग आपको क्या पकाना पसंद है? आपको क्या पकाना पसंद है? Which recipe you like to cook? It's your turn.
Pakana is cook, right?
Yes.
Okay. मुझे बिरयानी पकाना पसंद है.
Good, mashallah. Very fluent Urdu. मुझे बिरयानी पकाना पसंद है. ओके, सही. बिरयानी थोड़ा मुश्किल खाना है. आप अच्छा पका लेती हैं बिरयानी. बिरयानी पकाना मुश्किल है. क्या आप अच्छी पकाती हैं?
Pati?
Do you understand the line?
No. मुश्किल is difficult.
Yes. I think you can translate. It's not. I think nothing is new. You
Pati,
learn.
no. I think cooking biryani is difficult.
Yes.
Are you good? How
Yes.
good?
Yes. Yes. Can you cook good? It's a difficult recipe. Can you cook good? Mashallah, you translate very, very accurately. Mashallah, that's really good. Next time it's your turn, I think.
Then, is it difficult?
You can use English phrase also, no problem. The important thing is you, mashallah, understand. Shisha wali table. You, mashallah, understand very easily now Urdu and inshallah. And most of you can try on chat. You write very well when we discuss on WhatsApp. You, mashallah, improving very, very good. Your improvement. You can comparison your latest Urdu with your start and you feel the difference. I am feeling, alhamdulillah, mashallah, your expression is very improved and the common conversation you understand very easily now. So, what was we discussed बिरयानी खाना मुश्किल है. आप क्या आप अच्छी पका लेती हैं? तो here is the question. You can answer this. Yes, no. I don't feel difficult. मुझे मुश्किल नहीं लगता. Okay?
Okay.
You can say मुझे मुश्किल नहीं लगता. मैं आराम से बना लेती हूँ. यानी I can't feel difficult. मुझे मुश्किल नहीं लगता मुझे मुश्किल नहीं लगता, मैं आराम से बना लेती हूँ। I make very easily. मैं आराम से बना लेती हूँ।
आराम से is
easily, very easy, no problem. Okay, आराम से is easily. मुझे मुश्किल नहीं लगता, मैं आराम से बना लेती हूँ। Okay, I think it's fine for today, and we will try to discuss tomorrow, inshallah. That was, inshallah, our final class. And could you please create some dialogue which covers your maximum previous lessons? Is it possible?
Previous lessons for this now dialogue.
Yeah, you can create a dialogue from previous lessons. You can use two or three lines from each lesson easily, which you can cover, not all the lessons. You should try, and we will try to discuss that topic. I also created a collective dialogue for you, inshallah. I will provide you, but I want you should try yourself also. And at the end, I share my own created conversation to you. Okay, fine?
Okay.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.